Alright, so here I have 4 potatoes. First, cut each potato in half lengthwise to make the wedges. If the wedges are too wide, cut them in half lengthwise one more time. Alright, so here we are going to boil the potatoes for 5 to 6 minutes. So do not skip this step, otherwise you will have hard undercooked potatoes. So here you're not going to fully boil it, you're just going to parboil it, because by parboiling you can get your pan fried potatoes super crispy while also soft in the middle. So after 5 minutes, take it out, pat dry. Now for the batter, you need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or MAIDA, 1/4 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, you can also use garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now combine all the ingredients well. Now pour the required amount of water to reach the right consistency of the batter. So there's another one method. You can just toss your potatoes in all these spices instead of making the batter and just fry it. Alright, so our batter is ready. Now toss the potatoes and coat them with the batter. So after that step, you're going to fry your potato wedges in hot shimmering oil. Flip and cook the potatoes until it's golden brown on all sides. Now that your potato wedges are nice and crispy, serve with a dipping sauce and enjoy.